Adam is going to talk to us a little bit about what his experience has been with our program.
Hi. You know, about a month ago I was sitting in the same spot you are, and after I heard his information, it just kind of took me away, because I said, man, I spent a ton of money and time on health. I'm 79 years old, and I went home and I said to myself, I'm going to take inventory of my health, and should I join this program or not? And what I found is that I'm a guy that's gone through 13 kidney stones, 10 stents, pacemaker, I have diabetes, and 27 years ago I had a permanent tracheostomy installed in my throat for sleep apnea. I'm looking at, after going through the program, I've been there now, I'm actually on the program for 12 days. Prior to starting that program, I was taking 6 pills for my diabetes, 4 for my high blood pressure, and a lot of other little stuff, side stuff. But after 2 or 3 days, I noticed my blood sugar just dropped. And I was really afraid of becoming hypoglycemic. So I took and eliminated 2 of my diabetic pills, and then I watched again another 2 days, and it was still dropping. Anyway, to make a long story short, right now after 12 days, I'm on 1 diabetic pill and 1 high blood pressure pill. I was on 4 high blood pressure pills. My insulin, when I first started 5 years ago, I was on 10 units, then 20. About 3 months, 4 months ago, I went to my doctor's doctor. I can't control my diabetes. I'm all over the place. So again, he gave me another pill and raise your insulin to 40. That didn't work, then it was 50. And before I started this program, it was 60. Now I'm back down to 40. So all I can tell you, from as far as I'm concerned, and oh, a little side thing, I lost about 8-9 pounds, which helps too. So I think, as far as I'm concerned, I'm happy I made the decision to join us.
Thank you. It's just, I mean, it's amazing. When Adam, we started seeing him in the first week, and he's telling me all this is going on, I'm like, we got to tell people about this, because that's what we see on a daily basis. Some is as dramatic as his, but at the end of the day, everybody gets help. Because it's an education, it's a curriculum.